Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Filmora Wondershare 9 for free without any watermark. Let's start this. First of all, you need to go to this link in the description. By opening this link, paste it on your browser. I have the culture. So you have to go to this file and download it. Click here to download. I have file already in my the file I have just downloaded. This is the setup. First you need to double click on this. Yes, please. uh, he's saying that the version of this setup is already in my computer because I have this over here. So first of all, install this set. Secondly, go to this crack, just copy it, copy, copy. Then the icon on the desktop of Filmora 9, you have to right click on it. You have to right click on it and open file location and just paste. Right click and then paste. I have the file already in my, not going to replace it, so just close it and double click on this Filmora Wondershare 9 and this will pop up. Remember to just turn off your antivirus or the thing blocking the cracks, so remove it or turn off. Have this wonder completely in here. Let me show you this without any watermark. If I hit port, this is without any watermark. You can see it without any, without any Wondershare watermark. This is right here. You so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video so I can hit that subscribe. Okay, goodbye.